Hello and welcome everybody to the show. Chance got him here, and we got Nate the Pit Preacher on the other end. We're excited because we are about to throw down those nuggets, those trade setups, and how we're making money today. Guys, we're excited. It has been a crazy, crazy weekend. We got a lot of productive stuff done, and now it's time to grind and catch these pips. So nobody better to start off with catching pips than the Pit Preacher himself. I'm going to throw it over to my man, Nate, and take it away, brother.
Hey, guys. Yo. What's poppin'? Let me get this screen shared. And here we go. This one's going to do. All right, guys. What we want to do is we're going to look over here. Chance threw me this one earlier, so it's low-key technically his trade. But here's the thing. We got a little... I'm looking at the 1 hour GBP USD. I want to look on the daily, guys. It's been kind of playing around and bouncing in this area, like literally right here at the top of this, top of that. I'm going to go down into the 4 hour chart for you guys to see what's popping. And you guys can see that it's stopped in this area and kind of looking to pick back up. Right now, we have a stop loss on here in for a buy, because if I can go down to like a 15-minute chart, guys, you guys can see that this thing has started to consolidate, which is really crazy. So I'm gonna draw a little quick trend line just to show you guys what we're talking about here. And then you guys can see that it's right here as well. Look at that. It's like, oh, we're going up. No, we're going up. Oh, we're going up. Oh, we're going down. And look at, guys, it's starting to pick back up on this 15-minute chart. So we're looking for like a 15 pip stop loss. So that's a 40-minute chart, 45-minute. And I put, guys, as a buy, you know, just a 60 pip scalp. I feel like it's going to go way up there. And you guys can see stop loss would be right down there. Whoops. This is what I'm looking at, guys. I'm looking for it to come up and kind of complete this harmonic on this chart in here, guys. Way up there.
Going up there to the sky.
So if you guys have that in, that's one good trade for today. I've been kind of following USD, JPY, and gold, guys. And gold, shoot, we called this out this morning. But I still feel like gold has some more oomph in it, right? Coming up right around this area. So, guys, if you wanted to, I'm thinking you could possibly, for gold, place a buy limit. I'm not even sure if it's going to go back down, but place a buy limit kind of around this area over here. And then if you wanted to set a stop loss, set it down here. Because I'm looking for gold to keep just tugging all the way up there, kind of just pushing through, all the way up there. At least back up to this trend line, you know what I mean, this spot here. So, guys, this is just a buy limit. I think that's what it would be. If you guys want to long gold kind of down in this area, set your pips down here. Whoops. So buy limit kind of up here, and you're kind of down here for stop loss. And, yep, that's what I'm looking on gold, guys. I don't see anything else really on the charts. Everything has, you know, been acting a little weird today, but yeah, that's what we got for you. That's what I've been looking at.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It looks fire. That GU be looking good. Let me share my screen. I got a few more markups for everybody. There we go. All right, screen shared, locked in. Awesome. All right, USD. So you can see I'm on the daily chart to start. This high ceiling here, the top line, has been touched and respected. But so has this bottom one. You know, we got a touch here, touches back here on the, or not bottom, but the middle one. The middle line. And that's right where it came back to. It's coming back to there right now. So I'm not too naive to think, okay, this is going to just drop because it hit every single time. It's going to drop. It's going to drop. I seriously might see a break retest here, and that's something that's really getting me excited. And look at this. Let me draw a fib. I haven't drawn this yet. So the 23.6 would be right about where that line is right there. Almost perfect. on the 4-hour. So I'm looking for a buy. I'll be honest. I'm looking for a buy on AU. I know a lot of people I've talked to are looking for the sell on here, but I am looking for a buy around this zone if it respects. So here's what I'm looking for. I'll drop down to the 15-minute actually and show you guys exactly what I'm looking for. And this is what we're looking for. It breaks down like it has. Respect, respect, respect. And then when it starts going, I'm going to get on one of these respect. And then as it goes up, we in the money. Because look at this. I mean, pip-wise, we're looking at a decent, 50-pip trade right there. So I also want to pull up another trade that I had ready for you guys. And then look what happened. Phew! Perfect trade, and I didn't enter it because I was waiting for everybody, and I was going to call it live. I wasn't ready for that news drop, but hey, it happens. So look at this on the hour chart. This little trend line coming across, came down, hit it perfectly. So again, I don't think it's going to keep going farther, but it really, really could, only because if you check this out, let me get my rectangle up here. Go like this in this zone right here. So I'm using the bottom of this and then the bottom of this to create this zone going down. You can see break retest looking very convincing here. So it broke it. Now it's respecting literally right on that spot. So I probably won't enter this trade right away because it is like a little, it's kind of a gamble. I mean, if you wanted a 20 pip stop, you could look for the sell here. But I want to wait until it breaks. Again, waiting for those confirmations. So I'm going to wait for it to break, do the same game here. Touch, 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 go down, and I'm going to enter in the middle of these touches right here. Once it confirms into a sell, it's got to once it makes an initial move. So that's AU I'm really liking for that buy if it holds that 4 right there. But let me pull up a few more. I'm going to just kind of click, see what I got up. Yo, look at this. What do we got here? What do we got? I haven't drawn this up yet, so let's go to the 4 hour. Interesting. A nice ceiling here. Touch, touch. Touch, touch. Break, touch. That's just kind of a throwaway candle. That's news. Touch and respect. Interesting. Very interesting. What are you seeing on this, Nate?
Yo. I feel that with all my heart. All right, hold on.
Yo, I mean, yeah, I mean, we could look at this 20 pip stop down there.
Oh, man.
Nice little cushion for the rise. We're checking on this scanner. CAD JPY. All right. Ooh, look at this on the daily scanner over here, yo. It's looking to go higher to hit this pattern. I don't know. I like this. Yeah. I like this a lot. I'm about that buy. I'm about that buy right now. About that buy.
I'm putting it in.
You putting it in?
Yeah.
All right. Yo, Nate's putting it in. Low key, I like that. I like that Nate's putting it in. Save me some time. But yeah, I like this trade a lot. I mean, this is textbook. Break, retest, and this is, like I said, news and retest and respecting on the hour chart. You got 3 right here on the hour chart. Let's drop it down to the 15-minute. 15-minute. We're waiting. We're waiting for this 15 minutes to pull up. The suspense. Yeah, I mean, come on. And we're at the bottom of the 50. Oh, come on. 20 pip stop on that. Let it ride. CAD JPY. Let it ride through the night. Maybe even through the morning, through New York. And we'll see what we get. I mean, if it comes up and retests this, you're looking for almost 100 pips. So, yeah, that's a solid trade. Glad I clicked through. Let me let's keep going. Let's keep clicking. See if there's anything else to see out here. Same thing over here. Maybe. Let's see. Hold up. I'm on the 15-minute, so that's not where you want to be. Let's see. That's a pretty solid ceiling as well. I like that. Right here, I'm watching that. I'm watching this. I'm seeing this. Drop down to the 1 hour. Nate, what do you think?
Which one's this? Euro GBP?
Looks like another little break. I don't know, because there's a lot of consolidation up here, so it could be reversing as well.
I mean, we also do have GBP USD as a buy, so
that makes sense. It'd be
like a sell possibly.
I mean, it's off the fib at 23.6 perfectly. Yeah, let's just stay away from that. We're gonna stay away from that. I mean, it does look like a pretty perfect sell, though. But yeah, on that note, let's call it a session. Thank you, everybody, for hopping on. Thank you for learning. Thank you for taking these trades. Guys, we got a lot of stuff me and Nate are working on that we're going to be bringing to you guys a lot of value. And at the end of the day, we're here to help. We are here to teach you guys how to trade. Nobody's paying us to do this. We're just out here putting out this content because Forex has changed our lives. It's literally taken us to be full-time traders. This is what we do. This is how we make our money. And we want to help you guys do the same exact thing. Crush these trades, and we'll be back at you tomorrow.